coloring and materials used in this model are remarkable. The upper is a striking pale blue denim piece that is encased in layers of gray suede. This combination maintains the appearance of sophistication while producing a texture that is reminiscent of the past. Notable is the pink swoosh that runs along the side. The pattern gives it a three-dimensional appearance similar to street art and graffiti elements, and it appears to be a blend of needlework and print. The Jumpman emblem on the tongue, the wing logo on the ankle, and the outsole are also adorned with pink embellishments, which give the sneaker a cohesive appearance and a flash of color. The traditional circle design of the rubber outsole is maintained, but the pink hue makes the feet stand out. Because the tongue and lining are white, the entire balance has a revitalizing quality. After being introduced as a basketball performance sneaker, the Air Jordan 1 has come to represent street style. SRP is $110.